Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video we're going to be comparing two foundations, which are the Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation by Urban Decay in the shade 70WY, comparing it to L'Oreal Infallible 24 Freshwear in the shade 340 Copper. For my moisturizer, I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturizer with SPF 15. The reason I'm using the foundation I'm going to be applying today, it's a matte foundation. So I really want that moisture to be there, but at the same time, looking matte. So I'm going to take a pea size of this. Alright guys, to fill in my pores, I'm going in with the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer Perfector. I'm applying this on the T-zones of my face, keeping it right there. So I'm going to be applying the Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation by Urban Decay on the left side of my face and applying the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Freshwear foundation on the right side of my face. So I'm going to be using the Sigma Round Kabuki F82 brush with the Urban Decay and using the Morphe M439 with the L'Oreal. So that's one pump. I'm going to be going in with another pump just to make sure that the half of my face is well covered. Oh guys, that's my face. I have a little bit of texture around there and around this area. Well, that's what it looks like. It looks like skin though, and weightless, really weightless. Wow. It's settling into my fine line a little bit, which is on this side, on my smile lines. Did it cover all my pigmentation really well? No, because a little bit is still peeking through, which I normally go in with my concealer, but you know. The claims for the Urban Decay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation says it's buildable, it's medium coverage liquid foundation with a real skin matte finish. Okay, it's a real skin matte finish and they said it's buildable, so it's a medium coverage, not a full coverage, medium coverage. So they are right. Transferred a little bit. I don't know if the camera is picking it up. But it's buildable. I can see that straight up. I can build this up to give me that full coverage. First impression, this foundation, it's beautiful. Beautiful. So now we're going to be going in with the L'Oreal. One pump of the L'Oreal foundation goes a long way. That's what one pump looks like. Okay guys, I feel like this is more yellowy compared to my skin tone, but I could work with it. I could, and I'm done with my bronzer, it's gonna be fine. Does it feel lightweight? Yeah, it does. It feels like I don't have anything sitting on my skin, which is a plus, but it transfers. Let's see if this transfers. I think this side is dried now, really dried, but a little bit is still Still transferring a little bit, which of course it should, because it's a foundation, right? Anyways, let's wait for it to dry up. I think this side is a little bit lighter than my skin tone, but I could work with it. I think this side is a tiny, 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 teeny, teeny. I think this side is just my perfect match. Well, I don't know what you guys think. I really don't know. But is it a lightweight? Yes, it's a lightweight foundation. Will I call it a matte foundation? I think so as well, because it's settling in now, and it's not settling into my fine lines. You can see that it's not settling into my smile lines. That one a little bit, tiny bit is settling. The Urban Decay, yes, but this, I don't know, tiny bit, but we'll see. We'll see. Anyway, guys, let me set my face, and I will be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the foundation. I just set it and applied a little bit of eyeshadow. But if would I apply this foundation without setting it? Yes, I would apply this, and I would apply this without setting it. They both do the same thing, but you have to be touching up. If you've got a smile line, you have to be touching up that area with your finger. But is this a good foundation? Yes, it is a good foundation. Both lightweight, both medium to full coverage. You can build this up and you can build this up. This is more on the matte side than this, just a tiny bit different. Would I recommend this? Yes, I would. Would I recommend this? Yes, I would. If you're looking for a cheap version of this, then you can get this. Yeah, this is a real good dupe for this, honestly, guys. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I like doing this sort of video, and if you do, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that red button right there if you haven't, and I would love to see you on my next one. Bye guys.